Imagine if your sales funnel could run on autopilot, nurturing leads, building relationships, and closing sales, all without manual effort. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, how much more could you achieve if your funnel worked for you 24 by 7, maximizing your conversions without constant supervision? It sounds like a dream and something which could generate you a lot of profit. So, in this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process to automate your entire sales funnel, allowing you to focus on strategy while AI and automation handle the details. This is a complete guide to automating your sales funnel. See, the first question in your mind would be why to automate? Well, if you know, then it's good, but if you do not, and there are three key reasons for you to automate your sales funnel. The first is, of course, time saver. Automation helps you reduce a repetitive task. For example, in sales, there is follow-ups. So you have to do the follow-ups manually, and most of the time the follow-ups are same for each client. So what do you do for each prospect, I must say? So what you do is that you automate the follow-up process, and this saves you a lot of time. And the second thing which benefits you is efficiency. You get a lot of efficiency when you automate your sales funnel. It helps you streamline processes like leads nurturing and follow-ups, which we talked about, and leading to consistent and scalable results. If you streamline these processes, you are going to increase your productivity, hence better efficiency, more profit in less time, which leads you to business growth. The third key reason to automating your sales funnel is conversion catalyst. See, you have leads and you want to convert these leads. What you need to do is that you need to nurture those leads. And if there is automation which is nurturing your leads for you 24 by 7, then imagine how much sales can you get. This is one of the best way to get sales. It will be a well automated funnel that nurture leads around the clock 24 by 7, which will boost the chance of converting them into paying clients, paying customers. So that's the importance of getting an automation for your sales funnel. So now we are going to talk about methods which will help you to attract leads, and it is targeted content. There are three ways which we are going to discuss in which you can create targeted content and attract leads. The first is to creating engaging blog post. Not just creating blog post with the help of ChatGPT and spitting facts. No, engaging blog post, not just your regular blog post. In these blog posts, you solve common problems or answer questions your targeted audience has. This showcases your expertise and attracts organic traffic while maintaining the blog engaging so that they do not get bored and read the blog till the end. That basically solves the problem of your customer and shows that you have expertise in the field. Next is creating videos. See, you can introduce your products with the help of videos. You can demonstrate their use and you can share helpful tips. You can create content around your products. You can see this is what we sell. That's how to use this product. These are some tips and tricks to use this product. If you are doing email marketing, that's how you should do email marketing, and you are showcasing your own tool of email marketing. That's what HubSpot do. That's what SMrush do. That's what many other tools do. You can also do this. You can create videos by demonstrating your own product, sharing tips for your own product or your service. Third is to create social media content. You can build a community by sharing valuable content, encouraging interactions, and using platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram to increase your brand awareness. We've already talked in a video that creating a social media community is very important. It's one of the most important digital marketing steps. You must have a social media community for your own brand. Now, the next step to attract leads is with the help of landing pages. Here, we are going to discuss in brief about lead magnets. What is a lead magnet? The first step is going to be designing an eye-catchy web page. You can use tools like Framer and Webflow if you do not know coding. and they're very good tools to create static web pages with the help of no code. But in case you know how to code, then you can yourself code your website. The best step is you use such tools, or you use Wix.com or any other tool to create your landing page, which first of all looks good, functions smooth, and you can just get some leads collected into your CRM with the help of it. Framer, Webflow, and such tools have inbuilt option to integrate HubSpot and other CRMs into your web page. So try using such tools. You have some basic pricing plans for these tools. They have free plans as well, which comes with a branding and a subdomain. But that's completely your choice. You can pay for. That's not much costly. Most of the tools are quite affordable. So you can look into for yourself which tool suits best for you. Second step will be to create an offer, a lead magnet. What you are going in exchange for a lead. Maybe you're giving a free ebook, a free guide, a free tutorial video, or a free mini course, or a free webinar, or anything. It could not be free as well. It could be like a very cheap resource. For example, you may have seen ads on YouTube selling courses for $1, 99 rupees, 49 rupees, or one anything cents. So these things are lead magnets. They are basically collecting leads which are interested in their product, their high ticket product, and they are selling either low ticket product or anything for free, so that they get those leads which are highly qualified, and then they can push emails into their inbox. The third step would be to collect those leads. You set up a lead form into your web page so that the customer fills the information for the resource, and then you have successfully captured the lead. The next step would be to nurture those leads. And what is a lead? What exactly to capture? What detail do we want? It is email address. And then we will do email marketing. See, email marketing is the most powerful marketing. And what we need to do is capture those emails which are interested in our product, which know us. And these are the most valuable emails. You do not go to any extraction tool or something and get random emails. These are not going to work. These are trash most of the time. And what you need to do is you need to get those emails which knows you, which knows who you are, and are interested in your product or your industry. And the only way to do this is by creating lead magnets. So that's the pro tip. Use A/B testing for different type of landing pages. So till now we have covered something like attracting leads with targeted content, and that's going to be completely automated. You're creating content one time and the leads are coming automatically. And the second is going to be capturing lead with the help of landing pages, means lead magnets, and that's automated as well. But if you see, there is still a lot of creating content, creating the lead magnet. But now we are talking about something is going to be completely automated from step 1 to the end step, and that is nurturing lead with email sequences. See, you have heard about email marketing. If you haven't, then let me explain you. Email marketing is marketing which is done on email. Wow, what a theory. So basically, you send an email sequence, which is step-by-step email pattern to your leads and nurture them. Means building a relationship with them, going them through a step of emails, help them get a process into a way, into a, I'm not getting the proper word, a path, a path of from little to no information to buying your product. I hope you're getting my point. So it's a path, it's an email sequence, and your lead go through it so that it knows nothing about your product. They just came to get a free ebook, and now with the help of your emails, they're developing their mindset and are getting interested to buy your product. And then at a time, either giving an offer through email or something, they actually buys your product. That's what an email sequence do. So the first step would be to creating an welcome email. See, this is not an email marketing guide. This is something more of a sales guide. So automating your sales funnel. But we are going to go brief about email marketing for the next few minutes. First is to creating a welcome email in which you welcome your customer. You're not going to sell them anything here. You just welcome them, tell them about yourself and your brand, and that's all. Then you educate them. You shows what you know, your expertise. You give them education, you give them information which is valuable to them. You are still not selling anything, you have just provided them more and more value. And next, you start engaging with them. Now they know you, you have given them value, they owe you something. Now you ask them for a feedback or asking a question or something which gets some engagement. You can skip this step if you want, if your product is of different type, but it's a good step. And the last is to convert, giving personal offers, offers which are only for the people in your email list, not anyone else. Exclusive offer. You can give them promotion guides, you can give them something extra which other people are not getting. And this leads to them getting purchasing your product. Here's a pro tip. You can use tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, HubSpot, or Zoho, or any other tool which you want. And you can create these automated sequences and segment leads for personalized. That's how automated it is. You use these tools, you create this sequence, you attach it with your email list, and everything is now done from your side. You do not need to do anything else. It will all be done automatically. The software will manage that when to send the email, whom to send the email, and some dynamic properties like name, date, or anything like that. Just one time effort. Everything else will be automated. The next step is to create personalized follow-ups. The first thing in personalized follow-ups is behavior tracking. You need to track the behavior of your leads, such as an email opens, clicks, and website visits to understand their level of interest. If there is a lead which is opening email every time, then it is more likely to buy your product. So you need to send different type of follow-up to such lead. And if there's a lead who is opening once a month, then a different type of follow-up is going to work. So you need to track the behavior of your lead, what kind of lead that is. The second step is segmentation. You need to segment your lead based on behavior or interest to send more and more targeted messages. Once you know the behavior of your leads, you are going to segment them. You are going to categorize them. See, these are the leads which are on red zone, which are more likely, which are on the hotter area, which are more likely to buy quickly. These are the lists which are on the colder area. They need more and more emails now. They need more nurturing. The next thing is tailored messages. You need to send your leads specific content based on their behavior, like recommending products they viewed or offering special promotion if they abandon their cart. You may have seen Amazon sending you emails like, oh, your card is missing you. Or maybe you have bought this iPad. Would you like to buy Apple Pencil as well? Or maybe you may have enrolled for a course but you haven't completed the purchase, so they give you a special discount of 5 or 10%. You can do this as well. That's a great way of getting more conversions and some tailored messages. This thing can be automated as well. You do not need to do this manually. All the things we have talked about in this slide can be automated completely with the help of tools and softwares. So the pro tip is to use tools like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign for detailed behavior tracking and segmentation. Now your task is to go to these tools websites and explore how these tools work. See, automation is not about concept. It is more about strategy, less about strategy and more about the tools you are using. The next step is to convert leads with special offers. First thing you need to do is you need to have time sensitive deals, which creates urgency with limited time promotions. Of course, you already know what it is. Buy this before this, Diwali sale, Dashera sale, Christmas sale, New Year sale, such things. You need to create time sensitive deals. Second, which we have talked about already, exclusive discount. Offers like only for people who bought this course can get this course at a 25% discount. Only for those who bought this product are going to get this discount. Only for those who are viewing this email are going to get this much discount. Like these. And the third is automated reminders, sending follow-ups to capture last minute sales. Automated reminders is very important. Sometimes people go onto your website, wants to buy something, but they went off and they want to buy but without remember it, or maybe they are just procrastinating. You send them an automated reminder which sparks their interest again. That's very useful. Pro tip: use SMS or push notifications. What are push notifications? These are the notifications which are sent by an app in a notification panel of your Android or iOS. Use SMS or push notifications for last minute reminders, which have higher open rates compared to emails. Emails are not good for automated reminders. SMS and push notifications are better because not everyone is checking emails all the day. People check emails at a specific point of time. So finally, now we are going to talk about some essential tools which you may use. For landing pages, you may use lead pages, Wix, additional tools, Framer, and Webflow. For email automation, you may use MailChimp or ConvertKit, additional tools, HubSpot or Zoho. Zoho Active Campaign, I guess. For behavior tracking, you may use HubSpot or Active Campaign. And additionally, if you want a detailed behavior tracking and you have set up, Facebook Pixel, then it's good. Now, here's a quick recap of the steps which we have talked about. First is to attract. The first step was to attract the leads with the help of content. Second is to capture those leads with the help of lead magnets you are going to create. Now your leads know you. On the first step, your leads know you, that you are something. Now you get those leads with the help of some lead magnet. Next, you nurture those leads. You are going to create your relationship with them. And at last, you are going to do follow-ups until they buy. And at last, after follow-ups is not last. At last, you give them an offer, something which is irresistible, and you close the sale. For creating offers, you can of course read a book named as $100 Million Offers, which is about creating an offer so good that the customer feel stupid to resist, like something like that. So you can do this, and this is the complete video on how to automate the funnels. And talking about conclusion, if you want to grow your business, then you can subscribe to this YouTube channel where we talk about video guides on growing online business with the help of AI marketing and automation. You can follow me on LinkedIn if you want such tips, even more valuable one, in less time. Then you can follow me on LinkedIn for more such videos. You can tell me in the comment section that you want video for this business or this, and you can ask me your problems. I will try to create a video or help you in the comment section itself. If you like this video, leave a like and let me know how was the video. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, keep thriving.